Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. No, it's fine.
आदत से मजबूर.
आदत से मजबूर हाँ. Hi everyone.
Hi Myra.
सो ये लोग बेताबी से आपसे बात करने के लिए क्या कहते हैं उसको, बेसब्री से इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. तो ये आपसे ही पहले मुखातिब होंगे और आपसे बात करेंगे और हम लोग बीच बीच में आते रहेंगे.
वाह क्या उर्दू बोली है. मैं भी बहुत बेताबी से.
हल्का है तेरा नशा.
मुझे हल्का हल्का नहीं है, मुझे बहुत ज्यादा नशा है. नहीं गलत बात. I can't hear you guys properly.
किसी ने बोला नहीं.
अभी किसी ने बोला नहीं है. अभी किसी ने बोला नहीं है. They'll speak. So you want to start please with Arya.
So मायरा,
Okay.
आज फाइनली आपसे मुखातिब हो रहे हैं. आप सभी इसको देख भी पा रही होंगी. अभी जो रिस्पांस मिले हैं, किस तरीके से आप इसको देख रही हैं और सबसे अच्छा क्या रिस्पांस मिला, क्या कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिला, अगर आप शेयर करना चाहें.
जी बिल्कुल. पहली बात तो ये कि I wasn't expecting such an amazing response, and so it's surpassed everything that I could have imagined for Race. I had hoped for a very very good response for the film, but जितना अच्छा और बढ़िया response मिला है, I'm very grateful. Out of all the compliments that we've gotten and I've gotten, I think यही कि लगता है जैसे आप रईस की कहानी देख रहे हैं. ये रईस का दोस्त है, ये रईस की बीवी है और ये मजमूदार साहब हैं जो बड़े में रईस के, और ये सब रियल लगता है. So that's I think the best compliment that we all fit in our characters. I think that's the best compliment.
Hi Myra, कैसी हैं आप?
Hi, I remember you from.
I know, our first interview.
Yes, my first interview.
Right. हमने तो बहुत मिस किया पूरे प्रमोशन के दौरान. हालांकि फिल्म देखकर बहुत मजा आया. आपने भी मिस किया होगा हमें.
बहुत मिस किया. और सबसे ज्यादा अपने दोस्तों को जो crew पे I made some amazing friends and of course all of them. But actually क्योंकि I was sitting from here and seeing it all. जब आप इस तरह देखते हैं तो आपको और भी ज्यादा मजा आता है. It's strange, you know. It's from a bird's eye view. It's a lot of fun to see it.
True.
Hi Myra, this is
Hi.
Komal from PTI. Can you hear me?
Hi.
Hi.
Yes, I can.
Congratulations firstly for the success of Race.
Thank you.
Are you little disheartened that the movie hasn't released yet in Pakistan, where Shah Rukh enjoys a huge fan following?
I'll correct this. I enjoy
Well,
fan
you know-
following all over the world.
You have to rephrase the question.
गलत फिगर्स मत दो यार तुम.
What did he say? I didn't hear that.
He's saying I enjoy a big fan following there. I said I enjoy a fan following all over the world, even on different planets. जो अभी तक डिस्कवर नहीं हुए हैं. इनको पता ही नहीं है ऐसा. फिर यार सारी स्टारडम कम करो यार.
That is, that's a big fear was that people will come and they will root for him and not for me. All of them will be yeah, coming on, which is what has happened. We watched it. My family was screaming at his intro and not mine. They were just. I was like, come on, make it louder. So the claps were much louder for him, but we have to accept that.
मायरा मेरे इंट्रोडक्शन में मैं शर्ट उतार के अपने आप को मार रहा था. तेरी इंट्रोडक्शन में तू चुन्नी के साथ क्या वो काटे नहीं कटते गा रही है. तो मम्मी को तो मैं ही पसंद आऊंगा ना.
He has a point. He has a point.
मम्मी के चाल चलन पे मुझे थोड़ा नॉटी मम्मी.
लेकिन
Yeah, somebody was asking.
But to answer your question, it is releasing in Pakistan, and believe me, I mean everyone's waiting as they've waited all over the world. I think it's also going to do amazing.
You know, Mahira, like Shahrukh sir just said that आपकी मम्मी का उनका बेसब्री से इंतजार था. आपने एक चैनल इंटरव्यू में बताया कि आपसे ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड आपकी मम्मी थी और ये आपने शाहरुख सर को तो नहीं बोला था क्योंकि शाहरुख सर ने ये बोला है इंटरव्यू में. तो एक बार आप करके दिखाइए कि आपकी मम्मी का रिएक्शन क्या था आपने जो वीडियो किया था. और how does it feel working with Shahrukh Khan because you are an admittedly Shahrukh Khan fan that you know first Bollywood film.
Yes, अच्छा पहली बात तो ये कि अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं अपने घर से निकाली जाऊँ तो फिर तो मैं उनकी नकल उतारूंगी क्योंकि जब मैंने उनकी नकल उतारी थी तो मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि ये क्योंकि it was at a festival and वो उन्होंने चला दिया टीवी पे और उन्होंने देख भी लिया और फिर उन्होंने बहुत मुझे डांटा. उन्होंने कहा कभी मेरा नाम मत लेना. So वो मैं नहीं कर सकती. लेकिन yes, I mean he'll tell you that I was nervous as hell, you know. I mean, it was just. Sometimes I used to wish that I wasn't such a big fan that every time he would come, I'd be like scared. And then you know he had all this surma and used to look all tough, and I used to be like, God, it was a bit scary. I used to get nervous, but then it became okay. When Zalma happened, I think we were.
I have one more question actually, following up with that question. Whoever has debuted with Shahrukh sir, especially Deepika Padukone, if you see, they have done really well. He has got the Midas touch, so to say. When you got the offer, did that work in your head? And how do you take your future, like from here onwards?
May I answer a part of it, please? May I butt in? I think, to be really honest, most of the girls who have started off with me, it was kind of their first film or first or second film. You know, maybe they'd done another language film. Perhaps Deepika had done already one other film, and Anushka was obviously never been in a film before, but she had modeled. With due respect, I think there is a bit of a difference. She's an established actor of years. You know, she's been working, whether she's been working with me or not, she is an actor. Just working with me does not make anyone an actor. Maybe makes them lesser of an actor, but not more of an actor. So I don't think that kind of a thought could have ever crossed her mind. But yeah, as an actor, as someone working as a co-actor, you can go ahead and ask her the question. She'll tell you I was fabulous.
So yeah, you can answer that.
How was it working with him?
Yeah, obviously.
He's spoiled me, you know, and I shouldn't be saying this because then all my future actors will have this in their head, but it's the truth, and you know, it's just like how do you really work with someone else after you worked with him? But you have to, of course. But it's like it's a dream come true. Honestly, nothing short of that. Nothing short of that.
So Mahira, taking from his question, okay, while you were working on the film, were you anticipating it to be such a big hit that it has become? Was it anticipated?
In my head or
in your head, in your head.
My heart. Kind of. I was like, yes, this will be good. Because I think, in my experience, whatever I have done, wherever I've seen hard work and the right intention, I don't know why I've always seen it work. And this was one film where, over the course of 2 years, every single person on set, and I'm not saying this because, you know, we should say this, I say this with full honesty, everybody on set was just all heart and all love. We would all come back and work hard and want to make a good film. The cool part is, and the nice part is that you all saw it like that, and that everyone has taken to it. So yeah, it feels really good because you know, I felt that it would be successful only because we worked really good. So yeah, but this kind of response, I don't know.
Glitch in the
What are you
system.
saying?
Sorry. You know, somebody's very personal
Personal
mail came.
mail.
This is a
We
personal
are not
mail.
inquisitive for everybody.
Ghandekar?
Huh?
Ghandekar.
Yeah. Somebody from
Sorry
Cisco
to interrupt you.
is going to have a problem tonight.
माहिरा, जब मेरी मुलाकात हुई थी आपसे, मुझे याद है बहुत इलेबरेटेड कॉन्वर्सेशन था हमारा कि आप शाहरुख खान के साथ काम करेंगी, तो मतलब यू वाज सच अ बिग फैन. आपने कहा कि एयरपोर्ट पे जब मैं फ्लाइट से उतरी, अचानक मेरा दुपट्टा यूं लुक एट दिस उड़ने लगा और मैं स्विट्जरलैंड पहुंच गई, ऐसा लग रहा था आई एम डूइंग अ सॉन्ग विद शाहरुख खान. डिड यू नो दैट फाइनली 2 साल के बाद
मैंने ये कहा था कि when I first arrived in Bombay, why is he sitting here? Now I'm getting shy talking about it, but I have to now that I'm.
नहीं, दुपट्टा तो उड़ाया था गुजरात में. मतलब पिक्चर का बजट नहीं था, वरना स्विट्जरलैंड ले जाते.
She was very excited.
So basically when I said कि क्योंकि अभी हम लोग बड़े हुए थे फिल्मों पे और मैं बड़ी हुई थी इनकी फिल्मों पे, तो
ये भी बता दो मैं कितना बड़ा हूँ.
हाँ?
ये भी बता दो मैं कितना बड़ा, उम्र बता देना मेरी. सीधा ही बोल देना.
उम्र से क्या होता है?
ये बुजुर्ग के साथ काम किया.
अच्छा खैर, तो जब मैं पहली दफा आई तो मुझे एक्चुअली ये लगा था because all I had seen was films, you know, Bollywood films. तो जब मैं मुंबई एयरपोर्ट पे आई, ये मैंने आपको बताई थी बात कि मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि कुछ तो होगा, you know, कम से कम ये होगा कि हवा चलेगी, लेकिन और ज्यादा से ज्यादा ये होगा कि शाहरुख खान भागते हुए मेरे पास आएंगे.
और हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ ना, वो कस्टम ऑफिसर ने दुपट्टा पकड़ लिया.
इनमें से दोनों चीजें नहीं हुई.
Mahira,
very curious to know how was your reaction, you know, how was it dancing on the tunes of Bollywood song?
Yeah, I have to really, you know, buck it up and rehearse but he was a lot of help, and of course the choreographers were a lot of help. You know, they kept saying you can do it, you can do it. The night before Zalma, you know, they give me examples of the amazing actresses in Bollywood, and what I would do was just go through songs and be like, you know, this is how you have to do it. Yeah.
So may I interrupt? May I interrupt for one? You know, when, we were doing Udi Udi, which is a difficult song for me also and other people also, because it's a dancing song. So I think she had a rehearsal of 2-3 days, and I think the good part about the whole song is that, you know, there is just the right amount of adaigi in it. It's not over the top. The world of Rais that we were creating, I think she got that part to the hit. And of course the steps and all were very difficult. Maybe she's never done a song which is I have never done.
Never.
So I'm assuming to do a Garbha is not everybody's, not cup of tea. Everybody doesn't get an opportunity to do it. Like I have not done it in 25 years. So somewhere down the line, I think she learnt it and was really amazing. As a matter of fact, she's saying she had to buck up and all. Of course, everybody has to prime themselves up for a song. But I had to work even harder. And it's really helped me to do it with her. Because for her it was the first time, for me it was the first time. So neither of us were experts. And of course, like she said, the choreographers were really wonderful. And I was very hurting and angry that day with everybody. मेरे ना दर्द हो रहा था पैर में. तो जैसे वो छलांग मार के दूसरा टेक करता था ना, मैं इतना गुस्सा होता था, मैं सबको डांट रहा था मैं उस दिन. So to bear that with me was thank you very much.
Shahrukh and Nawaz, how was the experience working with Mahira?
Really wonderful, yeah. I've said this before. I mean, and I have to include Nawaz Bhai in this, and Mahira, and even Zishan. Genuinely, I have been doing this over time. I think I have obviously been part of more popular cinema. I'm more of a performer than getting into an enactment mold in every film. But in this film, it was necessary to get that balance. And I think Mahira and Nawaz Bhai and Zishan, they approach scenes differently, and they're confident enough actors to come and do it. You know, they feel it. It's very honest and it's very earnest. It's not that they prepared something ki ye karenge, wo karenge. It comes from within. To me, who's in a bit, you know, film-wise a little senior to them, all of them, to sit down and feel that every time doing a scene made me change a lot of the way I approach the scene. So it extremely helpful. I mean, see, the fun part of it, I can say, oh, we enjoyed ourselves, had a great time, and yeah, we did. But I think what really made the film essentially nice, and I know it's not a popular cinema genre, it is somewhere in between and everything all said and done, but I think that really made it very natural. Nawaz Bhai, me would sit down and do our scenes. We would be sometimes, one of them or me not being in the scene, we'd still sit down and just chat about the scene. I think that input was really amazing.
Nawaz bhai, how was the experience?
माहिरा के साथ मेरा सिर्फ एक ही सीन था और जब वो जालिमा का गाना चला था वो एक्चुअली मेरा बड़ा मन कर रहा था कहीं तो मुझे एक तीन पेड़ के नीचे
एक ऊँट पे ना ऐसा ऐसा दूर भी देखा
थोड़ा सा तो देख ही लेता थोड़ा मन मार के रहे।
पर नवाज भाई आज तक की आपकी जितनी मूवीज है आपको सबसे बेस्ट एंट्री सीन यहाँ पे ही मिला है बिकॉज़ आपके प्रेस वालों ने भी ताली मारी है और सीटी बजाई है। तो आपको कैसा लगा when they told you that you have to dance your way in this movie for the first time?
पिक्चर में देख के बड़ा मजा आया वैसे करने में बड़ा तकलीफ हो गई।
ये ना मेरा बदला है ये मेरा बदला है। मैंने क्या किया, रईस मेरा बदला है इन सब अच्छे एक्टर्स पे। सब लोग बोलते हैं अच्छी एक्टिंग नहीं करते, डांस करते, मैं सब अच्छे एक्टर्स को लेके छिछोरा बनाऊंगा। ऐसा कोई ऐसा सोच सकता है नवाजुद्दीन की एंट्री माइकल जैक्सन के गाने, तो ऐसा सोचा इसको कैसे बर्बाद करूँ। इंडिया का सबसे अच्छा एक्टर सबसे अच्छा भी दिखाता हूँ मैं इसको। अब कोई सीरियसली लेकर दिखा दे इसको या इनको या जीशान को, कोई नहीं मानेगा ये अच्छे एक्टर्स हैं। तुम्हारे को कर दिया मैंने,
बर्बाद हो चुका हूँ।
This is your first film which has made 100 crore, made an entry to the 100 crore club.
हमारे को भी काफी वक्त हो गया है।
So how does it feel within few days the film has made 200 crore club?
Yes, you know, I'm very unaware of numbers, and I can't hear you. What?
सॉरी मेरे को उसने हेयर पिन दिया लगाने के लिए। ये मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है, सीक्रेट गर्लफ्रेंड है। ये ब्लैक ड्रेस में जो है, जो मुंह छुपा के खड़ी है, जो
तुम्हें बोलना पड़ेगा।
हाय हेलो हाय। अब वो कैमरा मेरे तक तरफ आएगा तब तक नहीं आ गया। हाय हाय हाय।
Oh, you are the girlfriend?
मैं इसको चेहरा नहीं दिखाने देता किसी को।
गुस्सा आ रहा है। खुश हो।
So you have to move the phone for the camera to
Sorry,
see.
पहले आप इनका आंसर दे दो।
Now.
हाय हाय हाय।
पहले ये वाला आंसर दे दो यार,
I
सॉरी।
can't.
कैमरा
Yeah,
कंफ्यूज
yeah. Okay, can you hear me? Because
Yeah, we'll just tell you, Myra, it takes a moment. The camera is voice activated, so it shifts to me when I speak after a moment. So now I think she was asking you a question about some 200 बोलो। कितना सिखाया मैंने प्रेस का? सब यहाँ के ऐसे तहस नहस कर दिया तुम लोगों ने।
Okay. It feels really amazing to be part of the 200. But you know, I don't understand numbers because we don't. I mean, sure we have numbers, but not such big numbers. And so in my head, I was just like, yeah, it should be first day. It should be 100 crore, and I think Ritesh told me, listen, you don't know how it works. So don't.
But I like the way you put it out there. Yeah, I like the way you put it out there. अपनी फिल्म फ्राइडे को तो 100 crore हो ही जाएगा। So I said very well said.
Because I was like, Ritesh, I think Friday we will get 100 crore. He's like, no, okay. When we do it, when we get it, we'll tell you. I was like, okay, fine. So yeah, it feels really good. Because what it means is,
इसने एक्चुअली उसको पता क्या बोला? नहीं मायरा, इसमें शाहरुख है, सलमान आमिर नहीं है।
Myra, which was the toughest part of the film shooting with SRK? Because one scene is there when Raees gets angry with you. I think थोड़ा वो टफ था आपके लिए, या कौन सा ऐसा सीन था जो आपके लिए बहुत टफ महसूस हुआ आपको, या उनके लिए हुआ, वो भी बताइए।
इनके लिए क्या टफ? इनके लिए कुछ चीज नहीं टफ होती। For me, there were a few scenes that were a little tough, but I think that scene that you're talking about was a little difficult. Also, I think उससे पहले जब हमने rehearsal की थी, when we were sitting downtown, is that from you?
No.
That was a harmless message compared to what we've been exposed.
Sorry, some messages are popping up here on Cisco.
Oh.
So उनके personal messages हैं तो हम बड़े cheap हो गए. तो personal message सब छोड़ छाड़ के
Oh God. Okay, so yeah, that one scene was tough, and
Everybody knows that.
me, Zishan. What?
No, sorry.
It's okay.
Nothing. No, it's fine.
Okay, me, Zishan, and Shahrukh were all rehearsing in his room, and he was making us laugh. And so when I went to do the scene, I just kept thinking in my head all the things that he was saying, and I just couldn't stop laughing. And it was such a serious scene. Then Rahul took me to the corner and said, you better get serious right now, because whatever it is in your head that's making you laugh. And I kept telling him, he is making me laugh. He's like, but I can't see him making you laugh. I said, yeah, I know, he did it an hour ago. So it was one of those, it was a very, very serious scene, and finally we got to it. But throughout we kept
So that's why you're not good in the scene. That's what you're telling people, ना? ये मेरी वजह से scene में अच्छा नहीं काम किया तूने, ठीक है?
Basically, yeah. It's all your fault.
और जो बाकी scene खराब किया उसका क्या reason है? वो नवाज भाई पे डाल दो.
मायरा, आज के प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए आप कितनी तैयार थी, क्योंकि आप हमसे इससे पहले मुखातिब नहीं हुई थी, तो आज के लिए, इस पल के लिए कितना तैयार?
तेरी दाढ़ी के लिए बिल्कुल तैयार नहीं थी. देख के डर गई थोड़ा. प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में डाकू भी आए.
सच पूछे तो बिल्कुल भी तैयार नहीं थी, मगर उन्होंने कहा कि प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करनी है और like we have to meet. So yeah, it was nice. I mean, I was excited to meet all of you and answer all your questions. मगर तैयारी नहीं थी, सिर्फ एक जालमा की टी-शर्ट पहन के मैं आ गई.
Coincidentally, इसके पास बहुत टी-शर्ट है जिसपे लगा बैटरी, जालिमा, ऐसी बहुत सारी पहले से थी इसके पास. इस रेडी नहीं थी बिल्कुल.
Exactly. पहले से थी. Exactly.
Ritesh, what do you think of the exceptional business that Raees has been doing here and
I mean, it's always happy कि मतलब अगर film is being appreciated and एक unique combination है कि you've got critical acclaim as well as the box office number. And हमेशा हम लोग यही कहते हैं कि box office number you equate to the number of people. So I think a larger audience, if it goes and sees it, and I've been told that families, women, and parents, everybody, like even kids have enjoyed the film. They've adopted the dialogues so much that it's been used in daily lingo. So I think that's what gives you that gratification that okay, people have really enjoyed the film, so they're using the kind of dialogues from it. So I think we're all very happy, and we're looking forward to now what happens the next few weeks.
मुझे पता क्या खुशी हुई, 3 अलग-अलग political parties और agendas में, मतलब जो भी meetings हो रही हैं, सब हो रहा है, सब में वही डायलॉग है. इसका दिमाग और उसकी daring and all. ऐसा बड़ा universally politically correct film बनाई है मैंने.
कॉलेज में वो बैटरी वाला जो डायलॉग है ना, कॉलेज के बच्चों में बड़ा फेमस हो रहा है, जो भी चश्मा पहनते हैं.
हाँ, बैटरी नहीं बोल रहे, बिकॉज़ यू गेट, वो बोलते थे ना कॉलेज में डबल बैटरी, सिंगल पावर, ऐसा कोई बोलता था, तो अभी मालूम है बैटरी नहीं बोलने का.
मायरा, आपका पसंदीदा कौन सा डायलॉग है जो शाह सर का है और आप अक्सर बोलती हैं, या पाकिस्तान में काफी फेमस है?
अब मुझे सब जो है दो, या तो वो मुझे देख के कहते हैं बैटरी साला, या फिर वो मुझे आज मैं when I was coming here, तो एक लड़का था and he kept calling me Zalma. I was like, what is going on? So ये दो नाम है. मुझे इनका डायलॉग एक अच्छा लगता है. बहुत सारे डायलॉग अच्छे हैं, बहुत. I think that one of the best things about Raees for me, even when I read it, were the dialogues. So I can tell you a few dialogues that I like.
Please
One, जी?
बोलिए, please बोलिए.
Okay, I like it when he says कि मैं धर्म का धंधा नहीं करता. I like the way he says a dialogue, which I don't know if it's in the film. I think is not there, but the way he has said it, I love it. When he says कि आ जाइए, नहीं सबूत ले आइए, ले जाइए, रेस हाजिर है. I love it. I think it's such an amazing dialogue. It's the way he said it also is just amazing. Amazing.
एक्चुअली वो सीन ही बहुत अच्छा था यार. वो हमको 2-4 सीन काटने पड़ गए लेंथ एंड उसकी वजह से, लेकिन बड़ा खूबसूरत सीन था. इट्स वन ऑफ द सीन्स वेयर बीच में ये 100% ऐसी अटैक करते हैं कि मुझको पकड़ ही लेंगे. एंड काफ़ी फनी सीन भी था वो, जब वो उसको
वाटर टैंक में डालते हैं.
हाँ वो वाला नाक में निकल डाल के.
हाँ बहुत अच्छा सीन था एक्चुअली. और
देव जी को
हाँ देव जी को उसमें डाल देते हैं. और यार इट वाज अ वेरी गुड सीन. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली जब ये प्रोड्यूसर्स का कट होता है ना कि काट दो,
हाँ करेक्ट.
अब ये गाना भी कटवा दिया. ये सीरियसली मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, ये जो गाना अभी आप सुन रहे हैं मुझे मेरा फेवरेट
सब मैंने काटे.
नहीं जेन्युइनली झूठ नहीं बोलना है.
हाँ ऑफ कोर्स.
ये लेंथ में क्या करते हैं ये लोग, वो करते हैं ये प्रोड्यूसर लोग आजकल ना सैंपल स्क्रीनिंग बोलते हैं ना उसको, क्या कहते हैं वो,
फोकस स्क्रीन.
फोकस स्क्रीनिंग. हाँ फोकस ग्रुप. आई डोंट नो कौन सा फोकस होता है, कहाँ का होता है. ये गाना नहीं होना चाहिए, सेकंड हाफ में लंबा हो जाएगा, रोमांटिक पिक्चर नहीं है, ये वो नहीं है. तो मैं इनसे इंसिस्ट कर रहा हूँ. और इतने अजीब हैं ये लोग, इन्होंने इसको तैयार भी नहीं करके रखा हुआ. अदरवाइज आज ये पूरा यहाँ पे गाना होना चाहिए.
सही है. सब लोग all of them believe you that you sitting there and I'm giving instructions.
100%.
See their faces, see their expression. They are all believing it.
100%.
So the producer.
Give a song.
हाँ
हल्का हल्का जो है गाना किसको अच्छा नहीं लगता था इसको ना, कि पिक्चर में नहीं रह सकता, लंबा हो जाएगी पिक्चर, लंबी हो जाएगी.
सोच समझ के बोलना.
वो ईशान को.
Smart.
Listen, I haven't seen the song. Is it out?
No, it will be. So one producer has said it has to go out. Is going out.
तो one third आधा गाना. No, we are putting it out. I think we are preparing it. I think inshallah by tomorrow, day
Yeah.
after, once we get the
Okay.
audio track proper one. Yeah.
The audio track has come.
Mahira, can you tell us about your first meeting with Shah Rukh? How was it? First meeting, first interaction with him.
First meeting was nothing. He had come. I had signed Race, and we were doing a little photo shoot. And didn't think that he would come or drop by to say hi. But my van door opened up, and Arunima walked in and said, "He's here." I said, "Who's here?" "He is here, and you better come out quickly." I was like, "Okay, fine." So I was like, "Okay, let me at least, just like freshen up or something." But I had no time, so I quickly ran out. And he was there, and I said, "Hello," and he said, "Assalamu alaikum," and I was like, "Okay, walaikum assalam," and he said, "You doing okay?" I'm like, "Yes, I'm doing okay." He's like, "You will do okay. You will be fine." I said, "Okay, cool." And that was it. It was a very short meeting, and it was really nice. It was really nice. And yes, even though I thought that the wind would blow or patte girenge, nothing happened. In fact, I might be the only one who he did not spread his arms for.
तो तेरा साइज छोटा है ना. इतने में आ गई तू. खाया तो है तेरे को उसके अंदर, गोद के अंदर ऐसा घुमाता हूँ ऐसा फोन आता है जब, उतने में आ गया. थोड़ी लंबी होती तो ऐसा करता हूँ.
So Mahira, from the film, which is your favorite song?
I like Zalmo. Personally, I think it's. I love it. I think I also like it because it's playing here everywhere in every nook and corner, and it's just I love it. I think it's a really nice song, and I have really good memories of it as well. So for me, it's my favorite.
What about Lela Melel?
I actually love. I love Lela Melel.
वो नवाज का फेवरेट है. उनको मैंने पूरा बना दिया ऐसा, कमर्शियल बना दिया मैंने. अगली पिक्चर में इनकी एंट्री ऐसे ही गाने थे.
Hi,
No,
Mahira.
I loved it.
Please carry on. You were saying something about Leila. Please go ahead.
Yes, I mean, I think that, I love Sunny in Baby Doll, and I've actually met her at an airport, and we hung out and we spoke, and she's lovely, but I don't think she's ever, she's beautiful, but I don't think she's ever looked this amazing as she has in Layla. And I mean, as a song also, it's amazing. And the other thing which is cool, because I wasn't there for the shoot, so I hadn't seen it. When I watched it, I loved the way, it's possibly one of the most amazing interval points of any film that I have seen. And I'm not saying this, I'm not biased, or maybe I am, but I truly believe it. The way you guys have put Layla with it's amazing.
Last question, guys. So, hi Myra, this is Hardeep from India Today. Now, I hope you know that a lot of girls across the world are really jealous of you because you worked with the two Khans, of course, Mr. Shah Rukh and Fawad. I just wanted to know how similar or different were both of them, and if you could just draw some parallels. I mean, what was the have they been similar in some respects, and how different were they as co-stars? And then I have a follow-up question, please, which is really quick.
Okay, so my first proper work was with Fawad. And I mean, I was sort of clueless and stuff like that. So Fawad was a great help. But at no point was I in awe of Fawad, or it was just like, but I mean, he's a great co-actor. He helped me out, still does, by the way. I still get a call when there's something that he likes or doesn't like. So he's great like that. With him, it was totally different. I mean, I think to compare both of them would be so wrong. I wouldn't compare him to anyone.
दाढ़ी बता दे किसकी बेटर है तो फिर बता दे दाढ़ी किसकी बेटर है और क्या कहते दाढ़ी किसकी बेटर है
Yeah, you must, but you have to move the camera.
Mahira, did you miss promoting your film in India?
I mean, I know there's a lot of things that have been said about me not promoting and all of that. Believe me, if you were an actor and if you were in my place, to see your film do the way it's been doing, to see your songs come out or the trailer come out, and every time, because with everything that has come out, I've received a lot of love. To feel that is it's more than enough. Everything else is just the thrills, For me, this was it. I've done this film, I'm part of it, and I'm so happy that I'm sitting here right now because the film is so successful. So for me, this was it. This is all that matters, to be honest.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Myra, how did you celebrate the success of Race in Pakistan? So what did you do?
I can't tell you how I celebrated the success. No, I'm joking.
मैं बताऊं मैंने और रितेश ने ना क्लोज डांस किया है हम दोनों ना 2 दिन से ना क्लोज डांस किया बॉल रूम डांस कर जा रहे हैं दोनों क्योंकि एट एनी गिवन टाइम मूवी का कोई ना कोई मिसिंग है आज राहुल मिसिंग है राहुल
थाईलैंड जा है आपको नहीं बता सकते
नहीं बता दिया मैंने थाईलैंड गया छुट्टी बनाने के लिए तो सब कोई हम उसको जो सोच रहे थे वी ट्राई टू गेट हिम ऑन द वीडियो स्क्रीन आल्सो ही सेड नहीं मैं बिल्कुल नहीं आऊंगा क्योंकि मैं ऐसे हश्र में हूँ जो पब्लिक को नहीं दिखाया जा सकता
I can't unleash myself onto the public.
मैंने बहुत फिल्म में एक्सपोज किया इतना और एक्सपोज नहीं कर सकता मैं सो बट बॉटम लाइन इज तो एंड में आज भी नवाज भाई भी आप बताओ नवाज भाई क्या सोचा जब आपको फ़ोन कॉल आया नवाज भाई क्या सोच रहे थे जब उनको हमने यहाँ बुलाया नवाज भाई बोलते हैं हर रोज़ तुम लोग फ़ोन करते हो मुझको हर रोज़ मुझे लगता है पार्टी है हर रोज़ मुझे आके प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बिठा देते हो और कोई बुरा ना माने हाँ इस ऐसे और बुरा ना माने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में वही सवाल मुझसे पूछे जा रहे हैं तुमने तीनों खान के साथ काम किया इसके साथ शाहरुख भाई आज भी अभी पहले पूछा आज भी पार्टी नहीं है तो हम अब 3 रह गए यहाँ पे छोटी सी कर लेते हैं हम लोग जाके सो थैंक यू एवरीवन
No, it's still a star power and stardom, but the kind of numbers that Race is doing pretty well. But when you compare it with Amir and Salman's movie,
मैंने पहले भी बोला था फिर तो ये वाला बाइट लेंगे फिर कहेंगे शाहरुख खान ने अपने मुंह से कहा इतना बड़ा स्टार नहीं है ना इतना बुद्धू तो नहीं है ना शाहरुख ने खुद कबूल किया वो इसमें बड़ा star हो गया। No, 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 no. I'm the biggest star of the planet. बस प्लीज अब नंबर क्या करना है, टेलीफोन नंबर ले ले या ये नंबर ले ले, बता दे क्या चाहिए, बस तो फिर खत्म हो गई बात। टेलीफोन नंबर मेरा ये है। But thank you Myra, so kind of you to come. I know we pulled you out of work. Bless you, do well. And जब या जब फिल्म वहाँ पे आ जाएगी, देखना, बताना सबको कैसे, घर वालों को दिखाना, पसंद करना, हमको बताना कैसी लगी सबको। I think we don't know the exact date, but
maybe tomorrow or day after.
Tomorrow or day after. We looking at it.
हाँ, okay, that.
हाँ, एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, इसके बाद हम तुझसे बात नहीं करेंगे।
So Myra, how excited are people in Pakistan now that the ban is lifted?
They are. You don't understand how much we wanted the films back here, and I think primarily because of finally I think race was a big one and everyone was dying. Like I would get a call every day, and I think everyone's waiting. And you can't even imagine if you were here, you'd see how many calls I get. Is it coming? It's coming. So I think just like it's done well all over the world. Hopefully, and I mean, I have full faith in people here. They will go in throngs to watch Race. So yeah. But listen, guys, you never asked him how he felt about, like, how he enjoyed working with him.
We asked him.
We have asked him 10 times.
Yeah, we asked him.
Many times.
You've asked him. I have not seen it.
We'll send you the clips.
और सेम जवाब दिया मैंने सबको, बिल्कुल नहीं हिलाऊं। मैं और नवाज भाई ने इस एक सवाल का जवाब कि तीनों खानों के साथ काम किया और तेरे साथ काम करके सेम हमने हर जगह पे जवाब दिया, बिल्कुल नहीं, हम टस से मस नहीं हुए। But we'll send you one clip which answers everything. But thank you so much for being with us. You have a good evening. Lots of love.
Bye. See you.
Sumit, you're late, okay?
से आ गया।
ये कहाँ से आवाज आई?
नहीं एक कहाँ?
अच्छा एक सवाल इसका बनता है सुमित का यार।
मैं फोटो वहाँ चले जाओ।
सर आप लोग अगर वहाँ जाएंगे
सब वहाँ चले जाएंगे तो फोटो
जाने
से
Before that.
So okay, the thing is over now ना, ये छोड़ दूँ मैं hair cut?
So,
अच्छा
Excuse me.
of course.
1 minute. So I need that experience one.
वो तो करेंगे इतना अब तो हम लोग
Guys, am I supposed to stand up?
No. You stand up, you go out of frame.
But lean to the side if you want.
just look up ahead, I think.
No, the other way.
To your left. A bit your left. Your left.
No, just look into the camera.
Yeah. Look.
And you can smile. You can
And you can
smile.
do this also. Smile.
Smile, please. Yeah.
Myra, we wish you were here in person.
मैं हूँ ना।
Anyway.
Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you.
Take care.
Thank you so much.